Hi, I have logged in two devices with different accounts. First is John Doe and second one is logged in with Rajkumar Patel. And I'm talking about the live tracking feature. First of all, I want to add missing person report with my second account detail. This phone number I will add. First of all, let me add report. So I am adding profile picture and the name as Kumar Patel, age 23, missing person phone number. I am adding +91, the same number I am adding. Okay, and here you can see the description like track the missing person with this number if they have this app installed, location permission enabled, and an active internet connection. So I'm adding more details like fit will if the person has an account, then we can track. So health condition code, and I can add the last same location also. So I am adding the last location here, and 1 hour ago I have, yes, so report is submitted. Okay, now here you can see the live track location button, and the last location was November that I have added during submission of report. Now I'm going to track the location. So tracking the location here. Current location of the person is here. So I am going to start the moving so that you will see the changes. Here you can see the live track location is changing. See, the person is moving. Yeah, this is my location in the map. This is the person that is moving. So I am increasing the speed of the moving so that we can see the speed. Okay, so the person is continuously moving and we can tracking